Hey friends, if you encounter error 0x8007003b, an unexpected network error occurred on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the network troubleshooter. And how will you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and then scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to it. The next solution will be a network reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings in the right pane. Select network reset and click on reset now. Finally click on yes to reset the network. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.